Yo, what's going on, guys? Rice your boy Daniel here, and today I'm about to be going to Home Depot. First, I'm gonna pick up my boy Frank. I'll show you guys his car. Don't make fun of him though. It's a V6, but it's okay. It still looks cool. But I'm gonna go be getting some glue and I'll show you guys right now when I pick it up at the store. But cause I'm about to do this custom wing. You guys saw it on the thumbnail. So just wait. And I actually did just get my braces on today, bruh. Look at the boy's car, bruh. Sheesh. What a stud, bruh. Cute guy, cute car. Cute guy, cute car. And he got that drip on? Okay. What's up, bro? Let's go. Guys, we got everything we needed. Now we gotta evacuate this place. Guys, ignore that music, bro. Like, deadass. Right now we're on our way to get some pho, bro. Downtown, best pho out here next to the grocery outlet. If you know what I'm saying, you know what I'm saying. I'll show you guys when we're there.
Gotta do is hand me out. Please don't judge me if you do not know my past now. Man, it blast and I wave it where they blast now. I don't gotta swindle, I'ma let you know the facts. Running in that big truck, we got bulletproof glass now. Bitch, I'm turned up, I feel like I want a Grammy. I'm speaking Guapanese, I know he cannot understand me. Love no daughter needs, I know she cannot understand me.
We just finished freaking eating. It was good, but bruh, that was my first meal with my braces on, bruh. Cause earlier I had licuado, banana to be exact. And dude, I'm telling you, with these baddies, hell no, bruh. That's a pain in the ass. This kid didn't even get food, bruh. He made me sit there eating, bruh. I was like, wow.
Man, I watched you.
That's what I'm saying. All right, guys, I just picked up all the ones I wanted to use for the wing. With a little spoiler, cause I'm gonna save my favorite games. All right, see you. I'm gonna be saving my favorite games for like the side skirt and like the front lip and the rear valance or balance, whatever you call it. I don't even know. Cause like, dude, the spoiler you barely even be able to see it, but these are the ones I have right now. Oh yeah, I guys didn't even tell you guys. I'm gonna be wrapping them. But you probably saw them thumbnail a little bit. I'm gonna be wrapping them with the little Xbox 360. What game covers or I don't know what you call it. I have these for the freaking little spoiler right now. Some pretty good games here, guys. I played most of these. Actually, all of these. All of these I've played to an extent. Give your money. Oh. Give your money. Oh. Give your money. Oh. Give your money. Oh. Bruh, I'm explaining to these kids, bro. You scared the shit out of me. Guys, look at the old spoiler I have. Well, it's not even old, but the spoiler I have right now. I'm gonna be wrapping this because look how ugly this looks. It's horrible. Yo, look at what the freaking thing left. This is such a pain in the ass to take off. No cap. This is probably an easier way to do this, but I don't even know. So don't judge me, guys. But look, it's almost off. And don't worry about everything else, bro. That was the previous owner. He's a neck. So don't even rush me about that. The little spoiler will cover it anyways, so there's no point to even mention it. But look at the drip. Oh, almost fell. Look at the drip though. You already know. I cut them all from this part. You can see right there, I cut it. There you go. I'm gonna put it on. It's gonna be getting dark though, but for sure tomorrow I'll show you guys. I'll show you guys right now, but I'll show you guys tomorrow with light on everything. It's gonna be looking crazy. This guy ordered some freaking tuna fish. Ew, is it orange? They wrapped it in orange, dog.
Limon, estúpido. Lemon, bro.
It's orange slices.
Lemon, I read the fine print.
Oh, like the yellow?
Yeah.
So why does it look like... Guys, tell me those are lemons. Please tell me. I would laugh if you told me that's lemons. This guy's really about to use chopsticks.
That's the only thing I have.
Wow, look at guys. Disrespect. How is it? I've never had sushi, then let me get a piece. Guys, and it's hard for me to eat though, so remember that. How is it though?
It's not bad.
Girl, I want to throw up. I want to throw up, dog.
Nah, it's pretty good. It's pretty good.
Nah. Damn. Make sure to go follow him. Would I eat it again? Yeah, I would. When my braces don't hurt as much, for sure. I'd think about it.
Like if I ever went with the girl and she's like, let's go get sushi, I'd be like, ah, bye. I wouldn't enjoy that.
No, you can't say, ah, fine, because then she'd be like, oh, this guy doesn't even want to go out with me. You gotta be like, oh yeah, why not?
The love doctor. Fucking haunted house video, might as well.
Alright, guys. This is gonna be hard though. Especially like around the corners, dog. But to put it on, it's easy. Hopefully it's not too much trouble. Watch out for the kicks. I don't know how much you put on, but I'm just gonna do what I do. Do what I do best. Can you see him?
No. You hear me?
Huh? Say what's up to the vlog, Misa.
What's up? You like? I'm not recording.
Huh?
I'm not recording.
How you gonna tell me we're not recording?
You can have that. Because you just told him not to.
We're recording right there.
Are you actually? You can have that sushi right there. What sushi? I don't want sushi.
You don't like sushi?
Try it.
We thought you were weird as like this.
We all tried it.
No, I like it, but
it's good.
Dude, this is the pain in the ass. I already want them off.
it's annoying, dude.
I know.
Let's try one at least.
Who's there?
Oh, wait, my leg's cut.
Break it up. Get out of the way. Make room.
I think I'm sitting on a nail.
My turn.
Hey!
Peep the chewies.
Yeah,
True. It was good.
Ass.
You're done?
Almost. This is the first step, boys. This is the first step. After I'm gonna cut it and like fix it up a little bit, and I'm probably gonna wait for tomorrow because my camera's about to die. So you guys will probably see the end product tomorrow, if anything. And I'll see you guys tomorrow. Yo, what's up, guys? It's the next day, and I'm looking at this thing right now, and I realized I fucked up on some parts, not gonna lie.
Bruh.
But today I'll be fixing it up, so tomorrow, probably tomorrow or later today, because I gotta go to work today at 5, so we'll see when I'll be able to put it on, though. But let me show you guys the drip, you know what I'm saying? But look, it actually looks pretty good. I'm not even gonna cap. If you guys don't know any of these games, you guys, oh my goodness, I'm not gonna say nothing. But look at this. You guys can't even tell me this doesn't look kind of cool. They've been on there. It looks pretty cool, but it just looks kind of odd, not gonna lie. But it's gonna look cool. Once I have that, the thing, the side skirts, the front, everything, bro. It's gonna be looking dope. Guys, I'm gonna just leave it like this. It's gonna get messed up because water's gonna get in it, but you know what? It's all good. I gotta put my little pa-pa-pa on it. And we're gonna sit on it for a little bit, make sure it sticks, and I'll show you guys when it's on. Alright, bro, I put as much as I can. That's all I have right now. Falls off, I'm gonna go buy more and just do it again, if you know what I'm saying. You need. Now we're gonna sit on this and hopefully it looks fire, even though I already know it does for sure. I'm pretty sure this is stuck on there pretty well. If it comes off, I'll just glue it back. If it gets faded, oh, you can't see. Oh, there you go. Honestly, not too bad, but just imagine this, boy. Just imagine this and that, and then the front lip. It's gonna be looking dope for sure. But honestly, it looks cool. I'm not gonna lie. Look at that. Boy, are you trying to start my car? Guys, that's pretty much it for this video though. I'll see you guys on the next.